Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can enable power saving mode automatically on your Samsung smartphone when you're sleeping. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone, scroll a bit where you will find the option modes and routine. Once you tap on it, all you need to do is to tap on routines here. And here you will find this icon, you need to tap on it. Here you will find the option battery, you need to tap here, then save battery at night. Once you tap here, it will be the if option and then option. As you can see, it say that if you're sleeping, auto detect charging status not on charging, then power saving mode will be on automatically. All you need to do is to tap on save, and when you sleep there is no activity on your phone, it will automatically go on to the power saving mode. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.